Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine and happy at home. Okay children? So now today we will do English. Yes, you all know. It is lesson number 3 we are revising. Okay? Now see what is the name of lesson 3? Lesson 3 is Rahul and his friends. Yes, we have learned about Rahul. We have learned about his friends. Do you remember Rahul's friends? Who are Rahul's friends? Cat and dog. Cat name is Mimi and dog's name is Fluffy. So, today we will do notes, revision of notes. We will learn it again, revise it. Understood children? I know you all have completed in your fair book also. But still, I will ask you. So be ready to answer. Okay children? See the topics what we will revise. So today we will revise hard words, then we will revise meanings, fill in the blanks, true or false, give one word, missing letters and question answers. You all know this, okay? So I will ask you questions, okay children? Be ready to give answer. You all know the answer, no? You are doing homework. So, you all have learned this. Okay, children? So, I will ask you questions. I will ask you so that you have to give me answers. Understood? Yes. So, are you ready for answers? So first we will revise hard words. Then I will ask you words. Okay? First we will do revision of hard words. Learn it well. Okay children? See now. Hard words. See this picture. Rahul and his two pets. Lesson is Rahul and his friends. No? So we will learn hard words. Which words you have to learn, which will help you to understand the lesson and read the lesson. Okay children? Are you ready? Okay. So, which word is this? Rahul. Very good. Say the spelling. R-A-H-U-L. Rahul. Number 2. Which word is this? Very good. Animals. Spell it. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Number 3. Cat. You all know the word, the spelling of cat. C-A-T. Cat. Number 4. Pet. P-E-T. Pet. Understood children? Very good. So now number 5. Place. Which word? Place. Spelling P-L-A-Y-S. Place. Okay. Number 6. Can you spell this word? Ball. Very good. B-A-L-L. Ball. Number 7. Which word is this? W double O L. Wool. W double O L. Wool. Number 8. Fluffy. F L U double F Y. Fluffy. Who is Fluffy? Fluffy is a dog. Pet animal of Rahul. Fluffy is Rahul's friend. Okay, children? So, spell this Fluffy. Say the spelling. F L U double F Y. Fluffy. Number 9. See the picture. Bone. Yes, dog. Rahul. Dog eating. Understood? Now see the words. Number 9. Bone. B O N E. Bone. You all know the spelling of bone. You have seen in the picture also. Number 10. Which word is this? Very good. Milk. Spelling of milk. M I L K. Milk. Number 11. Biscuits. B I S C U I T S. Biscuits. Say again. B I S C U I T S. Biscuits. Number 12. Stroke. S T R O K E. Stroke. Yes, see Rahul is stroking head. Stroke. Understood, children? Yes. Number 13. Coat. C O A T. Coat. See here, this is coat of cat. Means skin of cat. Rahul is, yes, stroking the skin of cat to show his love. Okay, he is giving milk. Coat. Say number 13 again. C O A T. Coat. Number 14. Purse. P U double R S. You all know cat sound is purr. No? Very good. 15 number. Wags. W A G S. Wags. Number 16. Tail. T A I L. Tail. You have learned this. Okay, see this tail, cat's tail. Can you see in the picture? Yes, very good. Now we will do meanings. Now you all know the meanings. What is cat? Cat is an animal. What is dog? Dog is also an animal. So in the meanings what you have to write? Dog and animal. This is revision, no? Dog and animal. Cat and animal. See the spelling of animal? Okay. Cat and animal. Okay, children, learn these meanings. Now fill in the blanks. First you read the questions properly. See, options are given. You have to write correct words in this blanks. Okay, children? Fill in the blank with correct words from the boxes. See, box, there are given words. You have to use that word and fill the blanks. Okay? See, now I will ask you. Rahul is blank years old. What will come? 6 or 7? You all know this, no? Rahul is 6 years old. So what will be the answer? 6. Rahul is 6 years old. Number 2. Rahul loves. See, 2 options are given. You all know what Rahul loves. Cricket or animals. Rahul loves animals. Here the spelling. Here it is given in the box. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Rahul loves animals. Okay, children? Number 3. Fluffy plays with a. See, 2 options are given. Bone, ball. You all know this answer. What will come? Fluffy plays with a bone. B-O-N-E, bone. Here 2 answers are given. You have to write one only. Understood? Fluffy plays with a bone. Number 4. Mimi. See, Mimi. M-I-M-I. Mimi dash. Blank is given here. You know the answer. Purrs or barks? Cat sound, okay? See, Mimi is a cat. So, sound of a cat. What sound cat makes? Purrs or barks? Mimi is a cat. So, what Mimi will make? Mimi will do which sound? Purrs or barks? Mimi purrs. See the spelling. Don't write mistake. Okay? P-U-R-R-S. Purrs. Write the correct word. Okay, children? Correct spelling. Number 5. Fluffy. Blank is given here. His tail. Fluffy. Blank is given. His tail. See the answer. Shakes, wags. Fluffy wags his tail. He is moving side to side, no? Fluffy. So what will come? Wags. W-A-G-S. Wags his tail. Fluffy wags his tail. Okay, children. See, now we will read once again. Only read. Now you have given answers. You all know the answers. You have written in your fair book also. Rahul is 6 years old. Rahul loves animals. Number 3. Fluffy plays with a bone. Fluffy plays with a bone. Number 4. Mimi purrs. Mimi purrs. Number 5. Fluffy wags his tail. Fluffy wags his tail. Understood, children? Fill in the blanks. Okay. See, now remember this. Okay. Learn it. Now see, true or false. Now we will do true or false. I told you which sentence is right. That sentence is true. The sentence which is wrong, that sentence is false. Okay, children? See now. Number 1. Mimi is a cat. Mimi is a cat. Yes, you know the answer. Mimi is a cat. Cat's name is Mimi. No? Yes. What will come here? True. See the spelling of true. T-R-U-E. True. Mimi is a cat. True. Number 2. Fluffy. Fluffy is a boy. Fluffy is a boy. What will come here? Fluffy is a boy. Is a boy. It is a boy's name, Fluffy? No, the sentence is wrong, no? Fluffy is a dog. It is not a boy. So, answer will be false. Fluffy is a boy. False. See the spelling of false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Number 3. Mimi plays with a ball of wool. We have seen in the picture now that Mimi cat is playing with a ball of wool. Mimi plays with a ball of wool. It is right. So, you all know answer. True. Say the spelling of true. T-R-U-E. True. Very good. Number 4. Fluffy likes biscuits. Fluffy likes biscuits? Yes. Fluffy was eating biscuits, no? See the spelling of biscuits. You remember this? B-I-S-C-U-I-T-S. Biscuits. Fluffy likes biscuits. That sentence is true. T-R-U-E. True. Okay, children? Now see number 5. You have to give answer now. Are you ready? First read the sentence. Rahul strokes Fluffy's coat. Rahul strokes Fluffy's coat. The sentence is right or wrong? No, the sentence is wrong. Okay, it is Fluffy's head. Rahul strokes Fluffy's head. Okay, children? So this sentence is wrong. So what will come? See, I am showing you. Spell the word. Very good. It is F-A-L-S-E. False. So here the answer will be false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Okay. Now see, we will read this once again so that you will be knowing this. You have written in your fair book. Number 1. Mimi is a cat. True. Number 2. Fluffy is a boy. False. Mimi plays with a ball of wool. True. Number 4. Fluffy likes biscuits. True. Number 5. Rahul strokes Fluffy's coat. False. Okay, children? Now give one word we will read. What we will do? Give one word. See, listen. First you read the question. What you have to do in this? Okay, you have to give one word. Read it properly. Then give answer. Okay, children? See now number 1. Which word is this? You have known this. You have written in your fair book also. Completed. Gently moves one's hand across the skin or fur. Gently moves one's hand across the skin or fur. Gently moves one's hand across the skin or fur. Which word will come? You all know this. Stroke. Yes, you are right. You are written in your fair book, no? Gently moves one's hand across. See across. ACROSS. Across the skin or fur. Stroke. Number 2. The fur or hair on an animal's skin. The fur or hair on an animal's skin. See hair on animal skin. What is the answer? Can you answer me? Yes, very good. The fur or hair on an animal's skin, that is coat. See the spelling of coat. C-O-A-T, coat. Number 3. A sound that a cat makes. You all know the answer, no? What will be the answer? Very good. A sound that a cat makes. Purrs. See the spelling. P-U-R-R-S. Purrs. P-U-R-R-S. Purrs. Okay, children. Number 4. Moves from side to side. Moves from side to side. What will be the answer? Wags. Wags. Dog wags tail, no? W-A-G-S. Wags. Understood? You all have written this in your fair book also. You have completed. You are doing homework also. So see. Again we will read only. Number 1. Gently moves one's hand across the skin or fur. Stroke. Number 2. The fur or hair on an animal's skin. Coat. Number 3. A sound that a cat makes. Purrs. Number 4. Moves from side to side. Wags. Moves from side to side. Wags. Okay, children? Now you all have done given word also. Learn it properly. Okay? Now you are doing revision, no? So, you have written also in your fair book. Understood, children? So learn it well with spelling. Now missing letters. You all are enjoying this, no? Missing letters. See the picture. Camel, horse, sheep. 3 words are there. They are animals. Okay, they are picture of animals. So missing letters. You know the spelling of camel. C, then there is a blank. Letter is missing. M is given. There is letter is missing. And L. You know the spelling of camel. C-A-M-E-L. So which letters are missing here? C, A-M-E-L, camel. Okay, children? See now this. See this picture. Horse. The word is horse. So which letters are missing here? H, O, R, S. Which letter will come? Very good. You all are very smart to answer. E, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. See the picture? Sheep. You know the spelling of sheep. S. See which letters are missing? S, H, E, E, P, sheep. S, H, double E, P, sheep. Okay, children? Now see here. Which picture is this? Goat. You all know the spelling. And you know the missing letter also. So, G, O, A, T. Goat. Very good. Those who have answered. Now see this white, small. So that is rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Okay, children, you have done missing letters also in your fair book. So revise it again. Okay. Now we will do question answers. Answer these questions. See, first you have to read the heading also, what you have to do in that. Okay? Answer these questions. See, what is cat's name? What is cat's name? You all know this. What is cat's name? Cat's name is Mimi. See here, F first of year also you have to write. See here it is written, no? Cats. In the answer also you have to write cats. First letter should be capital. You have done in your fair book, no? Cat's name is Mimi. Then you have to do full stop. This is answer. So full stop. Don't forget it. Question 1. What is cat's name? Question, so question mark. Answer 1. Cat's name is Mimi. First letter should be capital. After the answer is finished, there is a full stop. Question number 2. What is dog's name? See, dogs. Can you answer? Very good. Yes, dogs. First of you have to write. You have written in your fair book, no? Dog's name is Fluffy. What is dog's name? Dog's name is Fluffy. Very good. You all have done this. So now we will read once again so that you will understand it. You have understood also. Many of them are showing homework. Okay. Question 1. What is cat's name? Cat's name is Mimi. Question number 2. What is dog's name? Answer 2 is dog's name is Fluffy. See the spelling of Fluffy. Dog, Fluffy, F-L-U-F-F-Y. Cat, Mimi, M-I-M-I, Mimi. What is cat's name? Cat's name is Mimi. What is dog's name? Dog's name is Fluffy. See now children, you all have done this. You have learned it also. Okay? You have done in your fair book also. Read it properly. properly, revise it well. Okay, do your homework properly and learn all this. Okay, children, be safe at home and be careful. Okay, children, thank you so much.